Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for December 21st, 2020. If you look at the chart here, that's an SPY chart. Today it's a wild day for the market. In the morning the market is slammed back down. So the market is come back, try to fill up the gap here, and after they do that, the market will push it back up again. The weird thing today is on the smaller time frame, we see a long stick here. We don't know what's going on. But it looked funny because it looked like maybe the alien give you the hint that the market will go up to this level. So mark up this level and to see that in the future they'll be able to get there because they print it on the chart, but nowhere we can take it out. I don't know what happened, but let's see the potential area the market will get there in the future. So overall the trend is still bullish, even though today they pulled back down, but overall trend is still bullish. So we still stick with the upside. If you look at the on the immediate SP 500, you can see the market, they stuck in the rainbow here. They go up here, they pull back down, and then they found a support and they bow back up. So overall trend is still bullish, even though they pulled out a little bit dip this morning with a wake up of the more problem on the virus. You know, they thinking that there's something more to come. That's why the people again panicking. So a lot of people, they try to sell and get out, but the buyer step back in and put it back up. So overall it's still bullish. So we still stick with the bull side. And if you look at the market after hour, as you can see here, the market it ran by this morning. The market they slammed it down right into the buy zone. If you are a member of Stock Navigator, you will know exactly what the buy zone is about. When the market hits the buy zone, they quickly bow to the upside. And if you are in our live trading room today, you can see that the market in overnight, they put it down until 3 o'clock Pacific time, and then they climb back up. In the morning when the market opened, they slam it down again. So we already know that when the market break the upper trend line here, we took the short here. So the first move from the top to the buy zone, it's 20 point there, and then after that the market power support, and we let our member know that the market going to turn around. And then if you stay there, and then you can take the other trade from here up to here. With the same magnitude of this one here, you can get 6 more points into the upside until the end of the day. So on the ES, every point at $50. So you count it per one contract. So this is the benefit of our member when they are in the live trading room, so they know where the market is heading to. And if you look at a lot of stock that we take a look over the weekend, so the overall the market, even though they pull back today, but no side problem, the bull is still in control. Like the technology stock, they're still doing very well there. IWM, which is small cap stock, they pull back down, but the buyer step back in right away and put it right back up. So it means that somebody they still hold up the position to the upside very strong. Okay. Dow also put it back up after they pull back down. They also put it back up. Semiconductor, they come down a little bit harder, but it also found a support and then they try to put it back up again. So as long as the market is still continue to have a high low, we still continue to look at the market still in the uptrend. And a lot of stock from semiconductor stock that we mentioned on the weekend, they pull back down, but the buyer they push it back up again. KLAC, okay, it still hold very tight there. And NVIDIA, okay, it still hang up very tight. So no sign of the problem yet. Okay, MSK, okay, they still continue to hold up in the upside. A lot of software, computer software technology, they run up, they put it back down. They are on the sideways right now. WADY, that's another one we look at. It's still bullish. PHM, this is another one. They push it back up, they come back down, and then they bow back up. AS, so this is another one we look on the weekend. It's still very strong to the upside. And the bio sector at S, the GMO, Okay, this one here it still shoot up very fast today, and now that's another one. It still hang up very tight there, and the clean energy, the one that we show you yesterday, and today they shoot up to the moon. Okay, so this is some of the stuff that we analyze on the weekly market forecast, and seem like they still doing pretty well. So today I took a quick trade for myself after a run out of the live trading room. So I put it up to the upside quickly and make some profit on the day trade for $1,655. And I look at the one of the stocks they do swing trade beside the day trade for quick income. We also analyze a lot of stuff for the swing trade. That way you can make a lot more profit potential. I give you one example here. Okay, so like this one here, we know that the market will go up, they pull back to support, and then we jump in and push it back up, and today they hit to my target, so I shed it and forget it, and then they hit to the target. I saw some of them make some profit here at the only couple of days. You make it $11,943, so total net profit for today at $13,595. It's good to start the week. We still have a couple more days for the year, so hopefully the market will still continue to push it back up, and then we will stay with the upside. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. If you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to read the chart, and then you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. And always give me a thumb up and sign up with our YouTube, so every time we have a new video we will alert you right away. Again, thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next video.